Hello everybody, it is Thursday. Oh my, and the chickens are chatting. So, oh my gosh, we have a winter storm advisory coming tonight. Yeah, not happy about it. So, had to take some precautionary measures, and I had to put a bin over my blueberry plant. This is not good, guys, not good. I think my little hoop house will be okay. Uh, Snow, guys, God. I know, can you believe it? April, middle of April. Snowstorm, crazy, crazy weather. But anyway, and I got plastic on these guys over here. So there's the two flowers that we planted and the rose bush. And I put a paper bag over this guy because he looked a little wilted. And then I got a flower pot on top of this guy. And then there's a paper bag under there. Let me show you what we got going on here. So there's a paper bag. And then I got the flower pot because it's cold. Cold is coming. So, and a lot of snow. And I really don't want them to die off because we just planted them, you know. And if you look here, this is from yesterday. There's still snow on the ground, guys. Yep, ice. You want it? He'll eat it. He eats everything. Let me see what's going on in the shed. Yeah, I was gonna put our patio chairs out and everything, and I'm kind of glad I didn't because if the snow is coming, and Opal's chatting away. What you doing, baby? Oh, yeah. What's going on? Huh? What's going on? There's the girls back here. They love it back here. What's going on, Goldie? Hey. And that's Martha. Oh, yeah. You tell me like it is. What's Goldie doing? What are you doing, Goldie? Huh? Yeah. Is she pretty? I love that gray with that red and tan. It's so pretty. Yeah. Her feathers around her neck, they're like a design that you would create. Check it out. Never really noticed it, but until just lately. Yeah, her neck feathers are so beautiful. See that? It's like a design. Just gorgeous. Alright, but that's what I had to do because snow's coming. Oh, and I got 5 eggs today too. Yeah, big ones and one little blue one. So, we're doing good. Fence is holding up good. The boys leaving it alone long enough. And the chickens are scratching away. They're just loving it out here. Loving your new area, aren't you? Yeah. Loving life they are. Shoo. Oh my goodness. But that's what's going on. Getting ready for the winter snowstorm. So winter advisory tonight and into tomorrow morning. So we'll see. Maybe we won't get a whole lot. I'm hoping not. But you never know how that goes. This is Indiana. Wait 5 minutes and the sun will come out. Alright guys. Y'all have a great Thursday, and we'll catch you on tomorrow.